How to enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube app. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube app in this latest YouTube update, whether you're using it on Android or iOS. Incognito mode on YouTube is a browsing feature that allows you to watch videos privately without leaving a trace of your activities. This can be useful if you want to maintain privacy, hide specific videos from your watched history, or avoid altering your recommendations based on the content you watch. So to get started, open the YouTube app on mobile devices. Next, tap on your YouTube profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you select that, you'll be brought to this page here. You will see a couple of options right below your YouTube name and profile picture. As you can see, we have this Turn on Incognito button. Just simply tap on that button, and you'll get pop-up message over your screen. It says here that your activity from this session will be cleared and you'll return to the account last used when you turn off incognito or become inactive. Now tap on Got It to enable incognito mode. If you want to disable incognito mode, simply click on U icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, tap on Turn off incognito. So that's how you enable and disable the incognito mode on our YouTube account. If you have any questions about this, you can leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.